Okay everyone, welcome back to another video on this channel. In this one, let's talk about the visual intelligence and the way you can use it, the way you can utilize it for your needs. So let's get started right now. The way that it works is by trying to see or recognize what's on your photos. So you can, for example, point your camera at certain things and the Apple Visual Intelligence will tell you more information about the object, place, or anything you might be interested in. It lets you get more information, for example, about the business you're pointing your camera at, or about the product you might be interested in. It can also perform a Google search using the image you're providing through your camera, so it might even look up some other things as well. The important part, however, is that it doesn't work everywhere in the world as of right now, and that's a bit of a downside. For example, I'm in the EU currently, and the Apple Intelligence simply doesn't work here. You might have the latest device, but it hasn't been rolled out here just yet. So if you can't make it work, I'd recommend you to check out if your device as well as your country support it. Because just like in my case, it's just not available. So yeah, you can use the Apple Visual Intelligence for all the purpose I mentioned earlier, but the support and the availability of the features is crucial for this function properly. So that's it everyone. I hope you found this information useful. I really didn't want to drag this video out too much, so that's it from me. If you have any other questions or thoughts, leave them down below. Thank you for watching.